What's the meaning of clap? Clap. Clap.
Clap. Clap. The word clap can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a verb, it may refer to the act of striking one's hands together repeatedly, either as a form of applause or to get someone's attention. It can also refer to the sound made by this action. As a noun, it may refer to a sudden noise or burst of sound. In any case, the result of a clap is a distinctive sound created by the collision of two surfaces, typically one's palms, which often signals approval or recognition.